Today we've got a 1971 Barracuda going out. We have completely reworked these, and we've got all new webbing on. It's the correct webbing, correct stitch patterns. We recolor everything, re-chrome everything, and we can also reproduce your specification labels. Our company name is Ssnake-Oyl products, and we specialize in restoring seatbelts for classic cars from 1960s and 1970s are the main years that we do. If you know anyone with seatbelts that are really ugly, we can help them get them looking really nice. Again, our name is Ssnake-Oyl products, and our number is 903-526-4500.